Willkommen zurück zu Let's Play The Wolf Among Us, der Wolf unter uns. Wir müssen jetzt noch mit dem kleinen Bübel reden. Und zwar, er hat die Leiche gefunden von dem. Und er hat ziemlich Angst.
Mirror, vanish, cancel!
What the hell are you doing?
Aha.
What? I wasn't touching nothing.
What's going on?
Don't worry, no harm done.
Wieso
What
hast
were
du
you doing
geschwindet?
with the mirror, Toad?
I thought maybe I'd catch you on the shitter. I was just having a laugh. We've been waiting there a long time.
TJ. It's all right. Are you ready to talk to Mr. Wolf?
Der Vater hat mir blöde Sachen eingeredet, was er mir soll sagen und was nicht. Okay, buddy.
It's okay.
Are you okay?
Go ahead, TJ.
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad. I promise.
Ja, ist okay.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ.
You're not in trouble.
Ja.
Just tell me what happened.
I was there, under the
Stalk
big
thing.
blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
Then I saw the lady.
Careful, Bigby.
Ah, shit.
I wasn't.
I know.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on.
Oh, man.
I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
He means the cinder blocks. You saw the rope marks. Is there more, TJ?
Is it true? You know when people are lying?
Ja.
I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
Bitte sag einfach
Please
die
tell the
Wahrheit.
truth. Is there something else?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again.
It's
I
okay.
couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to
Laden
stay
Sie,
quiet
Toad.
and out of sight or bad things can happen. I told you.
Leave him alone, Toad.
He's my son. I've set boundaries for a reason.
This is a special circumstance. Leave him alone.
Ja, scheiß auf dich,
So you
Toad.
didn't
Den habe
stay
ich nicht
underwater.
gern. Der ist so ein
I don't
slippery
know
frog,
if
man.
anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing." And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes,
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want to be in trouble.
Were those the same words they used? Stop laughing? Try to remember exactly what they said.
They said, "Stop laughing at me."
Do you know whose voice it was?
Aha.
No,
Ist jemand am Lachen
Did
gewesen?
you hear anyone laughing?
no.
Okay, ich glaube, er kann nicht mehr.
Bigby, he's frightened.
Okay, TJ.
I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Also gut.
Okay, you can go.
Aber wenn ich zu lieb bin, dann finde ich es nie raus, wer da was gemacht hat.
Thank you, TJ.
Okay, son.
Good
You
job.
did a good job, kid.
Come on, then.
Ich bin lieber mit dem kleinen Freund als mit dem grossen. Sehr viel lieber.
That went about as well as I expected.
Everything okay?
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let
Ja,
her
ich
out
zie
there.
nur.
You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
He's in charge of this investigation.
Ja, es ist
She
ihre.
wants to come with me. I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
Ich habe einfach auch das Gefühl, dass der Troll, der ist so gemacht worden, weil jemand Snow White hat wollen verwutschen und sie ist dann aus Versehen verwutscht worden. Hat Snow White jemand ausgelachen?
This whole thing is complete bullshit, and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after.
Here we are again.
Come on, Holly. I need entertainment.
Da hast du Entertainment.
This'll do.
Okay, I know. Just relax. Not here to start anything.
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
Was
It's
ist
been
das für
kind
ein-
of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle. Wolfie, my dear, how are you?
Was für ein Jack ist?
Because, you know, we were just talking about you. All of us. At the bar, here.
Not too good right now.
All that's sad to hear. Me? Oh, I'm great as usual. I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
Tweedledee was just here.
You said it looked like Snow White.
Not
Sure
really
it wasn't Tweedledum?
Well, no, but he seemed pretty sure.
Crane.
Sorry.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night. He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative
Ich habe
duties.
sicher nicht. Ich habe mir
Baby, come
Zigaretten
on. You
gegeben.
can't be so dumb as
Jack, find the off button, now.
to... What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs. Cat got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired is what happened.
Tired of what?
Of trouble, Jack. I'm sick
Ah
and
shit,
tired
ich
of trouble.
wollte
I don't
zu ihr
want
reden, aber
any
nicht sie
more.
stoppen.
What?
Bigby, look, 2 fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister,
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister, has been missing for what? A few days now? And we haven't heard word one about it from anyone.
Gaan we dan nachher reden, obwohl ich ihn nicht
Actually,
gerne habe.
have there been any updates? On my sister?
Ich bin dir auch
Holly,
klein.
your sister's dead. She's the one we found early this morning.
Boy, I sure walked into that one.
If you say one more fucking thing, just one more thing.
Jupp. Besser
God
kannst.
fucking damn it. Of course, the dear princess, Snow fucking White, is all safe and sound. Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? You think 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us. She might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
Oh man.
All right, everyone. Clear out.
I ain't leaving her with you. No way.
Sieht noch gut aus für einen Troll, hä? Snow kann vielleicht etwas machen. Mal schauen.
Holly,
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just
It
want to...
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
Das might be. Sehr wahrscheinlich sogar, aber...
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this. The copper was from a dwarf mine.
That was decent of you.
Finde ich mir vielleicht redet sie jetzt ein
Grin.
bisschen
Yeah?
von einer
Take off for a
Zwergenmine.
bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Okay. Okay, wir können mal in Ruhe reden mit dir. Das ist nicht sehr schlecht, ha?
I don't know that much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often.
Easy. Ja, okay, es ist ein Troll.
She was lost here in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Wir haben nicht miteinander geredet.
Not talking.
It seems so fucking petty now, but I didn't want to watch it with her.
Also sie hat gewusst, dass sie
I think
Drogen
she
nimmt.
was off the Monday drugs, but she was hooking to pay down debt.
Ah,
It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie.
okay.
The
Take
owner,
goodness next
Georgie,
time.
with all his fucking fees. It's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Holly, it's okay. If it's too
Georgie.
much, we don't have to do this.
Georgie. What do you know about him?
We can just go talk to him.
Okay.
We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Really.
Können wir
Thanks
irgendetwas
for
für dich
everything,
machen?
Holly. Is there anything we can do to...
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
It's not charity. It's looking out for our own.
Is she... Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her.
Fuck.
Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of... It's a formality with trolls. We burn our dead by sunrise or... I don't know. Some old world shit will fuck your soul up.
Ah, shit,
I'll
ich
check
will
with the deputy
nicht
mayor
das.
about that. He'd want to be kept in the loop.
This is really important to me.
Look,
Ich weiß,
why
aber
don't
ich
you
würde es
come
gerne
down
mal
with me to the
sehen.
business office and
Ah,
we'll
ich
see
weiß
what
auch
we
nicht.
can do. That club?
I'll go down there now. See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Really. Thanks. It just made everything easier.
Yeah. Ich bin gut mit ihr gewesen. Ich habe den Troll nicht trolled. Oh. Das ist, glaube ich, noch von unserer Schlägerei, hä? Tja. Oh, look, Troll Sisters. Yay. Okay, gehen wir in den Club. Wir sehen aber erst das nächste Mal, was dort passiert. Peace.